This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a video of how to diagnose engine overheating. Yes, how to diagnose this, the engine overheating, and then the causes of engine overheating. So follow me. Let's go. The causes I can use engine diagnosis and how you can diagnose it from you. Yes. So this is how and a way to diagnose engine overheating. The engine is overheat. To diagnose it, and then the causes is you have to check the lines of the cooling system. The hose, this is the hose of the cooling system, right? This is the hose of the cooling system. Then you check if there is any leakages here. This one too is here. This is a type car, that is a cruise. Yes, it's Chevrolet cruise. So you check the the hose if there's any leakages, and then is the hole. After that, here is where the thermostat located. Yes, where the thermostat located. So where the thermostat located, you have to check if the water is circulating through the thermostat process. Is because sometimes some cars, the thermostat, if the thermostat close off and thermostat is not working, is you can see that as you start the car, the thermostat line will be cooled. Yes, it will be cooled, and then the rest of the hose of the cooling system will be hot. If you find it that the place of the thermostat side is cold, that means the thermostat has blocked. The thermostat is not working. That can cause engine overheating. Yes, and then if there's no leakage, then you check. After that, you have to identify your fan. Yes, it's where the fan located. So we have to identify the fan if the fan is working. Yes, the fan is working properly. Sometimes you can see that the fan is working, but the fan comes on late. Before the fan will come, then the overheating has already come. Yes, the car has already overheated. So you have to check the fan, the time the fan shoot, and then the temperature switch sensor. You have to check it. If your car fan is not direct, you're supposed to check that if the system is working properly or not. So this is how you can diagnose, or you can know that your car diagnose car overheating. Yes, this is how you can diagnose car overheating. Check your fan, the time the fan comes on, then your temperature switch, then the thermostat place of the hose. You have to check it. Yes, this is the thermostat place. Here is it, and then you find that if there's no leakages, and then check your radiator. Yes, the radiator itself is, it can cause overheating if there's a blockage inside the radiator. If there's a blockage inside the radiator, the overheating can come on, so your car can overheat. So you're supposed to know all these things, and then you take off your radiator and go, and then when then blow inside, wash inside neatly before you fix it back. That can solve engine overheating. So this is the how you going to diagnose car overheating. This is AK Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right.